Welcome back. Today I'm going to be working with all the colors of the rainbow. VIBGYOR. I'm going to be making this bookmark. Very excited about it. Feels like the kind of work I used to enjoy back in school, making things and using lots of colors. So let's get mixing. Today I'm mixing around 40 ml, so 20 ml of A and 20 ml of the hardener. The instructions say that it needs to stir for 3 to 5 minutes. You can also see right now the color is cloudy. I am stirring slowly and I'm careful not to take it out of the medium because that pulls in more bubbles and we don't want more bubbles. When the cloudiness goes away, I usually change the direction to ensure that there are no dead zones where the liquid is not mixed properly. Depending on the volume though, I usually stop after the color becomes clear and the resin becomes a little different in viscosity. I can feel it when I stir as the resistance of the liquid changes. It becomes a little flowy. I stop because if I keep mixing, it starts to cure faster. So it depends on the project really. Leave this to settle for 5 minutes and allow for the trap bubbles to release themselves. Meanwhile, I will mix the pigments. I have 7 colors, a little more than what I use in other projects. I don't know why I just make things more challenging for me because even though the whole rainbow thing is simple, the work time remains the same for the entire resin once it is mixed, which means that when I mix in all the 7 colors, each batch will still take its designated time, which leaves me a very small window for actually pouring the resin and working with the resin. The resin also gets a little viscous, which I'm hoping will come in handy today for the work I'm going to be doing. So wait and see how it works. Let's skip the color mixing part here. The colors are mixed and we are going to get cracking. First, what I'm going to do is make some markings on this so that I can approximately pour the colors in equal proportion. I'm going to divide this into 8 parts. These markings will help me know when to stop pouring. I don't want to pour extra and be left with less space for the last few colors. Let's put this away. I'm putting the colors away in the sequence of work because while I'm engrossed in the pouring process, I do not want to accidentally get the order wrong. That would be heartbreaking after all this preparation. Just going to change the direction here. I'm going to start from the corner because the resin tends to level off. You can see that they're already starting to move here and I need to move faster. As the height drops, it covers more area and I might not be able to squeeze in all the colors. The markings are helping me keep a track here. Just pulling away upwards before switching colors. If you want, you can work with a slight level to keep the colors on one side, but I do not believe it is necessary if you work fast enough, and you will have to when you are working with resin. I divided into 8 parts because if the colors misbehave and they get narrower or wider, the last part can be adjusted to protect the design. The colors also have this cohesion and they tend to pull each other. The red is visually really strong. No, don't move. Okay, that's that. Maybe a little more here. That's it. We'll leave it for a day to cure now. It's time to demold our bookmark. I think these are things which have been flying in the air. They got caught, but they're not so visible other than in extreme sunlight. Yeah, this is probably dust which has got collected, but otherwise this is perfect. Look at this. The color has worked with each other nicely. The gradation is there. The leveling is perfect. I don't even have to dome this. The amount of resin which I poured in it was so awesomely perfect that it has leveled completely. There is no concave action happening. There is no convex doming happening. And let's see how it looks from the other side. And wow. Okay. This is fun. There are a little bit of bubbles which has happened whenever I poured the different colors, so I guess that is a problem we have to watch out when mixing multiple colors, especially since they are mixed separately. They will probably have slightly different levels of viscosity and air can get trapped in the middle. I just need to add a tassel here so that it will stick out of my book. I'm loving the play of colors here. Even the bubbles which have appeared at the junction of these colors are just adding to the joyous, bubbly nature of this happy bookmark. I think I'm too much in love with my own work. My bookmark is ready for assembly. All I need to do is add this tassel. I have chosen this neutral color for the tassel so that it doesn't clash with all the lovely colors in the bookmark. And it's done. Thank you so much for your time. I hope this was fun to watch. Have a wonderful day.